Hi, I'm Tamir from TadiBrothers, and in this video I will show you how to pair a digital wireless camera with one of our digital monitors. The first thing you need to do when putting this together is make sure the monitor is getting power and the camera is getting power. This process applies to any of our digital monitors that have the yellow font right here. That looks like this. That means the mirror, the 3.5 inch, the 7 inch, and this is the 9 inch, all will work. And the camera, the slip-on NDRV camera and this license plate, all work under the same process. To get this thing working, the first thing we want to do is start the pairing process. We're going to hold down this button for a couple of seconds until the countdown begins. Once you see that start counting down, we'll go to the camera side and we're going to hold down this button for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now you see there's no signal. That doesn't mean that it stopped working. That means that the pairing process started. Usually it takes 5 to 15 seconds and then you'll see an image automatically pop up. There you go. This is the camera right here. This is the live view of it. It worked first time, every time. If you're doing this thing with an RV camera, for example, you just push the same button right here. Same exact process. To know that your cameras are talking to each other, you're also going to see this blinking light right here. And if you have that, then everything is good. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us. Also, from all of us here at TadiBrothers, thank you for watching and have a great day.